Do you know how to just see a problem and come to know about what are the possible algorithms to solve it? Well, if you don't know it, then what you should do is you should read the entire problem carefully, and after that you should go to the constraints of a problem. The constraints will tell you about all the possible solutions you can come up with. So just for a reference, I will show you in the chart that 1 second is generally taken as 10 to the power 8 computations in your interview. So if the number of computations are, let's say, less than equals to 10 to the power 12, then your algorithm should not exceed order of root n complexity. Now if it is 10 to the power 8, then it can be done in order of n or any better algorithm. Let's say if it is 10 to the power 6, then the expected algorithm complexity is n log n, which will give you a maximum computation of 2 into 10 to the power 7, which is again less than 10 to the power 8. And all the way down to if n is less than equals to 10, then you can solve it in order of n factorial time complexity. So this chart is very intuitive in knowing the worst case time complexity of your problem. Just for a reference of some of the simple data structures and algorithms, you can see that in a hash map, for a ordered hash map, the operations on n elements will be n log n, and if it is unordered, then it will be order of n. For heap, it will be n log n if the heap size is n and you are operating over it n times. Simply for binary search, log n and all the way up to permutations will take n factorial. So if you know about this logic, then from the next time onwards you can just see a problem and come to know about the possible algorithm they are expecting. This way you will be saving a lot of your time. Please subscribe our channel for more programming content.